ABC Littles.
One, two, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, let's count some more. 5, 6, pick up 6. 7, 8, feeling great. 9, 10, let's do it again. Counting up with all our friends. Numbers dancing in the sun. Counting's oh so much fun. One, two, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, let's count some more. 5, 6, pick up 6. 7, 8, feeling great. 9, 10, let's do it again. Counting up with all our friends. Numbers dancing in the sun. Counting's oh so much fun.
Hi, kids. Let's learn how to count the numbers. Do you want to count with me? Come on, let's do it. 1. 1 queued. 2. 2 bees. 1, 2. 3. 3 ducks. 1, 2, 3. 4. 4 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 5 pears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 6 keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. 7 acorns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. 8 shells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. 9 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. 10 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, kids. You did great.